May I know from Colonel Leonardo and Colonel Garma, if you held a meeting in Davao in June 28 of 2016?
If I'm not Mr. Chair.
Kayong dalawang tinatanong ko.
No, Mr. Chair.
No. You did not have a meeting with your former classmates, class of 96 of the Philippine National Police Academy. Remember, you're under oath, ha?
On that very day, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
Same day, Mr. Chair.
PNPA classmate mo,
Opo, Mr.
class
Chair.
of 1996.
May I be clarified, Mr.
Nagkaroon
Chair?
kayo ng meeting doon sa Davao last June 28, 2016.
Hindi,
Yes or no?
nagkita-kita po kami, Mr. Chair. Meron pong naalala ko na
Kung
nagkita-kita kami.
nagkita-kita kayo, nag-meeting po ba kayo? Yun ang tanong ko eh. Pakisagot lang po ng yes or no.
No, Mr. Chair.
You did not meet with your classmates.
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami nag-meeting.
Nagkita-kita lang kayo.
Opo. Ang ibig ko sabihin,
Yung mga
Mr. Chair,
classmates mo galing sa iba't ibang lugar, nagkita-kita kayo doon.
Opo,
I think
nagkita-kita
is
po.
your answer. Tama?
Nagkita-kita po kami, Mr. Chair.
Umiiwas ka kaagad, iho eh. Pares lang tayong galing sa CIDG. Di ba? Pero ako naging hepe, ikaw hindi. Yes. Colonel Garma, would that be true also that you met with your classmates, members of Class 97
Yes.
in Davao City on
Yes.
June 28, 2016?
I'm not sure of the date, Mr. Chair, but there was a meeting. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, there was a meeting. Okay, I'm just establishing the fact. Yun ang sagot ninyo. You're not very sure. Kasi I'm sure. Sigurado ako. Kasi we have witnesses. Tatanungin ko ba ito kung hindi ko alam? You're under oath.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you met.
Yes,
Kasi
Mr.
matter
I
of
said
fact,
yes,
may
Mr.
sinundo ka
Chair.
pa nga sa airport eh. Di ba?
Not,
I'm just refreshing your memory. Correct? So, you met before July 1 of 2016 when former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte took officially office. Now, Mr. Chair, may I move that we direct the Director General of PDEA to come up with a study kung saan nagsimula talaga yung drug list. May I ask Director General Lasso, what do you understand by the phrase or the statement, there is always a time for reckoning?
Your Honor, it means hindi parating fiesta. Hindi parating nakahilata. Sometimes dadapa ka rin.
Hindi palaging masarap, may hirap din.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Karamihan po sa tanong kanina ay tungkol sa kung gaano po kalapit si Colonel Leonardo at saka si Colonel Garma doon sa ating former President, President Duterte. Colonel Leonardo, were you the one who introduced Colonel Garma to then President Duterte?
No, Mr. Chair. No.
No. Sigurado ka doon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sino ang mas malakas sa inyo ni General De La Rosa kay former President Duterte? Kasi ito yung mga tanong na indirectly tinatanong ng aking mga kasamahan eh. Ako na lang magtatanong ng diretso.
Definitely, Mr. Chair, mas malakas po si Sir Bato, Mr. Chair. Senator Bato, Mr. Chair.
Kasi napilit ka niya na mag-retire early. I believe otherwise, Colonel. You know why? Narinig ko na minsan yung sinabi ni Bato, meron pang isang opisyal na mas malapit sa tainga ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi mo ba narinig yun?
Hindi ko po narinig, Mr. Chair.
Huwag kang umiti sa akin dahil ano, Maliyo. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko. Kasi totoo naman sinabi yun eh. Di ba?
Possibly, Mr. Chair.
Abi ka pa dan?
Possibly po. Hindi ko po narinig na sinabi ni Senator
ayaw
Bato,
mo
Mr. Chair.
magsinungaling ng todo-todo, ah. Kasi sinabi talaga ni Senator Bato yun. There is somebody in the PNP who is nearer the ears of the President. Madam Garma, you have always denied na close ka sa Presidente. Pero there had been reports na ikaw ay nakakadiretso doon sa Malacanang. Basta't dumaan ka kay Senator Bongo. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, ang tanong ngayon ng karamihan sa aking mga kasama kanina, sino po ang mas malakas kay Presidente sa inyong tatlo? Si Senator De La Rosa, Colonel Leonardo, or Colonel Garma? Siguro yung mga tao na present ngayon, nanonood, kayo na po ang bahala mag-determine kung sino po ang mas malakas. Kasi sa akin, meron po akong sariling panukala o pag-iisip kung sino. Colonel Garma, ang sabi po nyo kanina, nag-retire kayo ng June.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, and you announced that in the flag ceremony that you are going to avail of early retirement. That was in June 22, 2019, para ma-refresh yung memory mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And after your retirement, on June 24, 2019, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte appointed you as PCO General Manager. So yung mga sinasabi mong kasagutan at saka dates, those were wrong. Kasi baka napo-confuse mo yung pag-announce ng inyong appointment kaysa dun sa assumption. Di po ba?
Yes, maybe.
On record,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
you announced in a flag ceremony that you are availing of an early retirement. That was in June 22, 2019. And 2 days thereafter, former President Rodrigo Duterte announced your appointment as PCSO General Manager. Ganong kakalakas?